Okay.
Good day. I am here to conduct handwriting standards from Mr. Juan de la Cruz as a part of the investigation into a disputed note found at the case scene of CC's death. First, let me explain why we're doing this note. The note is in CC's writing, and we need to compare your handwriting to it, either clear you as a suspect or gather more information. This sample will be used solely for forensic comparison. Does that make sense to you?
Yes, I hear you.
Great. Now, for consistency within the disputed note, you'll write on yellow pad paper. Here's the paper. And use HBW ballpen just like what's there. I'll dictate the exact text of the note, and I need you to write it out naturally. Not trying to change how you normally write. First, let's start. The text is, I'm sorry, I had to do this. Please water the plants and care for my dog. And that's, I love you. I'm sorry. I have to do this. Please water the plants and care for my dog. I love you. Next. I'm sorry. I have to do this. Please water the plants and care for my dog. I love you. That's all one. Thank you for following the instruction closely. We'll send this to a document examiner for analysis